The observation deck is to the right.
I'm really hoping that there is actually
Let's see if I can give you a face.
Do you even know where we sat?
12B.
12B.
This with exception of rows 1, 12 and 13, as these are the emergency exit roads. If you are occupying these seats today, then please ensure all items of hand luggage is safely stowed into the locker for takeoff and then again for landing. Once you've safely stowed your cabin bag, please take your seat, keeping the aisles clear for your fellow passengers to board. EasyJet do operate a very strict non-smoking policy, and this does include the use of e-cigarettes. Your seatbelt can now be fastened in preparation for departure.
Part of the reason why this holiday is done we're still again, but I won't be going to get the engines alive for sure, absolutely for sure. I remember last year I went to Belgium end of July and it was very hot. So I'll leave it to end of August.
I think we'll just do.
I'm your captain today. Johnny Will on the flight rate, senior first officer. Tom Elliott. The camera's got a brilliant team looking after you, led by Dean, here for your comfort, but primarily your safety. So with that in mind, we'd appreciate if you pay particular attention to the safety briefing that's about to come up. We're nearly ready to go, just doing the last of the paperwork here. Just a short taxi out to the northwesterly facing runway here, runway 33. Taking off. To the left turn after takeoff, climbing up to 38,000 feet. Flight over today of around 1 hour and 30 minutes. I've got the pleasure of flying this one through the cruise. I'll come back to you with a further update. In the meantime, hope you enjoy the flight and welcome on board. Portable electronic devices into flight safe mode. Laptops need to be completely powered down, safely stowed until after takeoff. If you do become aware of any electronic device becoming damaged or overheating, then please inform a member of the cabin crew immediately. Cabin crew, arm your doors for departure, please.
Yeah, why not?
Today we have Beth and Becky. Now the cabin crew are on board this aircraft today for your safety, and very shortly we'll be taking you through the safety procedures and equipment on board this Airbus A320neo. Ladies and gentlemen, this information is for your benefit. Please give the cabin crew your full attention. Now just before we take you through the safety brief, I would just like to kindly remind all of our customers that drinking your own alcohol on board the aircraft is strictly not permitted. Only alcohol served by the cabin crew can be consumed on board, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put a mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with a strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If you land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat, remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open and seatbelts fastened. Further information regarding your safety on board can be found in your in-flight magazine. Thank you for listening, and we wish you a pleasant flight with easyJet.
Wir bitten nun um Ihre Aufmerksamkeit für unsere Sicherheitshinweise. In der Sitztasche vor Ihnen befindet sich eine Sicherheitskarte. Wichtige Informationen wie die Lage der Notausgänge, Sauerstoffmasken und Sprengwesten zeigt. Sowie die Schutzposition, die Sie einnehmen müssen, wenn Sie die Anweisung Brace, Brace hören. Unsere Maschine verfügt über 8 Notausgänge. Das Kabinenpersonal zeigt Ihnen den nächsten Notausgang. Beachten Sie bitte, dass sich der nächstgelegene Notausgang hinten befinden kann. Leuchtstreifen im Boden weisen Ihnen den Weg zu den Ausgängen. Lassen Sie im Notfall alles Gepäck in der Kabine zurück. Ihr Sicherheitsgurt wird wie gezeigt geschlossen, festgezogen und geöffnet. Solange das Anschnallzeichen leuchtet, muss Ihr Sicherheitsgurt geschlossen sein. Wir empfehlen jedoch auch beim Sitzen jederzeit angeschnallt zu bleiben. Sollte die Zufuhr in der Kabine unterbrochen sein, fallen Sauerstoffmasken aus dem Fach über Ihren Sitz. Ziehen Sie eine Maske zu sich heran, um die Sauerstoffzufuhr zu animieren. Befestigen Sie die Maske über Mund und Nase und atmen Sie normal weiter.
Any hot truck?
Regulieren Sie den Sitz der Maske durch Ziehen am Gummiband. Befestigen Sie Ihre eigene Maske zuerst, bevor Sie anderen helfen. Sollten wir auf Wasser landen, finden Sie eine Schwimmweste unter Ihrem Sitz. Entfernen Sie die Schutzhülle und ziehen Sie die Weste über den Kopf. Führen Sie das Band um die Taille, klicken Sie die Schnalle zusammen und ziehen Sie das Band fest. Blasen Sie die Weste nicht innerhalb der Kabine auf. Nach Verlassen der Kabine blasen Sie die Weste auf, indem Sie an der Kordel ziehen. Falls nötig, benutzen Sie das Mundstück zum Aufblasen. An der Weste befindet sich auch ein Licht und eine Pfeife, um Aufmerksamkeit zu erregen. Wir führen außerdem Schwimmhilfen für Kinder mit. Ihr Sicherheitsgurt sollte nun geschlossen, Ihr Tisch nach oben, die Armlehnen nach unten geklappt und Ihre Fensterblende geöffnet sein. Weitere Hinweise zur Sicherheit an Bord finden Sie in unserem Bordmagazin. Wir wünschen Ihnen nun einen angenehmen Flug mit EasyJet.
Like, then right.
Unless you want chicken noodles.
Okay, wait, I'm looking.
Wait, have a look. You can have chicken noodles.
Mother porridge. I've used for mine. I've used as porridge to eat. Any more? I think.
Go in a minute.
I think.
Yeah.
Is that the Romanian?
No, it's Holland. I don't know. I can't remember.
But that's Spain.
Yeah.
That is a don't know. That is a don't know. That is a don't know. What should I? Can I have snacks? You and me can share.
That's what comes with it. Wait, that's how it.
Yeah, the company's up because you pay more, so it worked out with all the value. So if you get another one,
Wait, that's how it.
so that's more than I
I know popcorn. You're having a proper food. I think we can go up in 2 minutes. You can have it. Why don't you have the rice noodles? Chicken. Yeah, have noodles, chicken and rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have one of these?
That's it.
Yeah, I'll have the dessert and a sandwich.
You don't need a dessert sandwich now. Just have a sandwich. It sounds like you want a sandwich. I'll ask him. Why don't you have this chicken? But I don't think it'll be that spicy. I'll ask. And seriously, because you normally like a bit of spice. You want the calzone.
Yeah.
It's still not in the air. Yeah, I'm waiting for us to get in the air. What drink do you want with it, darling?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. And a snack? Which snack do you want? Pringles? Kit Kat or Twix or Molly's?
Pringles salad cream.
You have to still wait till they go in the air. So you have to keep this on and wait.
It's like in the air. What's taking so long? What's taking so long, Mum?
road to see if they're planning.
Yeah, because also, I feel it's a long process. I wait for 2 hours as well. You know, it's my me, this all constitutes the whole of the holiday, all the time that you wait and get to places. So that's me. No. Shaving not stairs, darling. No. Well, no, I would. If I partner and we went somewhere like Mexico, it would kill me getting out there, but I'd be there at least 2 weeks, so you'd have time to sort of get over it whilst you're lying by the beach having a massage, drinking a cocktail. I'd get over it. But you'd have to be doing long haul, you'd have to be at least 2 weeks somewhere. You know, how long do you do? A week to America?
You friends with Gemma as well?
Yeah.
Do you remember Gemma?
Very nice. The problem is the cost of the work.
That's it.
And it's not just the cost of going, it's the cost of what you've got to spend when you're there.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll be long now.
It's got Holly, isn't it?
I know, I'm waiting for us to go in the air. Have you? Well, sorry, there's nothing I can do. You try your best. Huh? So Pete and Janet. Oh, is he not? Oh, Mike. I didn't see a photo. I did see a photo. Praise the Lord, hallelujah.
Praise the Lord, hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
How do you say it? Hallelujah.
My boss. I've got a strong photo. Carry on with that.
Ladies and gents, this is Captain speaking again. Just a quick update for you. Unfortunately, we've had a slight technical issue which we need to get resolved. So we're currently getting pulled to a remote stand just to the northwest of where we were before. It will involve a slight delay though, as we need to get an engineer out to just check that we're safe to go. Again, apologies for the slight delay to this. I will keep you updated and we'll get going as soon as we can. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, your cabin manager speaking. If I could just kindly ask all of our customers just to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has arrived at this remote stand, and I'll liaise with the captain about the seatbelt signs. I do appreciate that we are already delayed on today's service, and I do apologise for this. As soon as we've got an update on the further delays and the timescale, we will obviously communicate this with you. Please do accept our apologies. I do hope this is not causing you too much inconvenience today.
I'd rather just to help us.
Stop the train.
Cabin crew soft doors for arrival, please.
Get it for me as well.
It was going in rapidly.
I know, well, there's a technical fault. Yeah, well, what?
30 sites on this. Doing every 30 sites in one state at a It's been your shirt, guy that got the appointment.
Yeah, let me just quickly
I've just spoken to the ground handlers, and it shouldn't be more than 5 minutes for him to arrive, and then he can do his quick checks, and hopefully he'll be underway sooner rather than later. But I'll just keep you updated. Thank you.
We have to keep all of our customers updated, even if we don't have any news for you, and that is the case at the moment. We are still waiting for our engineers to come out to the aircraft. As soon as I've got some more information, of course, this will be passed over to you. Apologies for the delay. This has been due to our engineering department who've been troubleshooting it over in Luton. Now they're fairly confident, as I said, that it's spurious, so they said the next course of action will be for us to start the engines up again, see if the warning reappears. If it doesn't, they're fairly confident it won't, then we'll be good to go. So that is our next course of action. So we've switched the seatbelt signs on, so if you can all return to your seats. We're just waiting for the local dispatcher to appear, so we can close the doors, take the steps away, and then hopefully we'll be good to go. Again, I will keep you updated with the results. Thanks very much. The ground crew who are going to take away the steps, the external power unit, have just arrived now, so hopefully it shouldn't be too much longer. Thank you very much again for your patience.
Why are most English people in this place?
We're moving.
We are moving, aren't we?
Very soon.
Well, one pence actually to the so 12.23 on the way out. No, 3 of them on the way back. Jet flights are
Excuse me. Is this yours?
Mama, it's funny when you said, can you drop it off for €4 when it was a leave with a taxi? How rude!
I thought it was funny that I asked to drop it off for €4. Everyone was laughing, weren't they? Right. A little bit, right. What about €4? I thought it sounded much better. Say the advantage.
Yeah, but they're free this time.
My back, stop it. Harry, stop touching everything. This has to be left on the floor. It's fine, stop making excuses. No, feels fine.
This is Turkey.
What's that on the back? What's that?
I don't even like playing.
What's that? Mama, what's that?
I keep on losing as well, so it's cool.
Are you tickled? Mama, tickle me under here.
Easy. But it doesn't, I thought it was like the passport. So where you visited.
It'll be fine.
I think it runs out, it's 21. His passport runs out. Let's see. The United Kingdom has got your card. Go on.
That's my car.
Stop.
That's my car.
But this is for the two ways down.
Did they?
I am showing you.
My passport, what my permission?
I'm your mum. Do whatever I want. I own you.
That I know. $25.
Even when you enter the country, they don't take their own currency. It's pretty damn good.
What? My
How long have they had it?
You do 2 days, did you?
I can't read Arabic. What does that say in Arabic?
Both days.
This?
Read it.
You mean that in Arabic?
Read it. You can.
You mean that in Arabic?
Say it.
What does it mean in English?
I want you to say it in Arabic and then tell me the English meaning. Say that.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
I don't know what it means.
Oh. Say the other Arabic word. You said Rasulullah. Yeah. What else does it say? Oh. What else does it say? What's the next word?
The next word is
Tashayarata. What does that mean?
Uncle Lee, what do you
Don't miss the ball there.
It's Captain speaking. Good news. The issue seems to have resolved itself, so we've started both engines successfully. No issues as a result of that, so we're pushing back now and shortly be taxiing out to the northwesterly facing runway here and taking off. Thank you very much for your patience, and as I said before, I'll come back to you with a further update once we're in the cruise.
Stop it! Don't be rude.
Can I stop that now?
Why? Because you know you're being rude.
No, because you're being my shower. Mama, you remember your beautiful massage. Okay, so say something.
You massage my back.
I'll wait to say sorry.
You will massage my back and say sorry. Sorry. I'll wait then turn around. I'll see you know it's my fault.
Oh, what did I hear?
I said sorry.
No, not my fault.
It's not your fault, I said. You see my back. That's not right.
What did I hear then? What did I hear?
Don't do the top bit there, Tarek. Stop it. Do the job. Stop it. Stop it, Tarek. Stop it. Do this bit here. Please, Tarek. Stop it.
We're gonna tickle it.
Just do my back, please. Stop it. Otherwise, I'll take the sorry back. I'll take the sorry back.
What did I just hit?
Right, stop, Tarek, because that's not actually enjoyable.
No.
Do it here.
No, we couldn't tickle it.
Yeah, which is enjoyable. So do it here, please. And then on my back, please. Stop it, Tarek.
I don't want to do that.
No, but don't, please. Just do my back.
Okay.
Be nice to your mother. Do it harder than that, please.
Okay.
No, I mean properly. Get in there.
Okay.
No, that's no harder, Tarek.
Harder?
Go down more.
Down?
Yeah, there.
Okay.
That's it.
We're setting up
More, Tarek. Go down more.
more.
That's it. Like that.
Like 5 or 6.
5 up.
Wiring about. Whilst we may well get, we might just get to this. We will get to the train.
Another hour.
It is about 8 o'clock.
We're about another hour.
We'll go over 10 o'clock.
In that case, I might
Mother,
get
can you take the bubble off? Can you look round and take the bubble
I'm
off?
not bothered about what I look like. I want to get in bed. I want to be in my own bed
Look,
now.
please take it. You look
You massage, you massage, go back. If I take it off, you massage, go back.
Yeah. I take some bubble. And now,
Oh, do you want to do my hair?
yeah. I like doing it. Yeah.
Do my scalp then.
Scalp. I'm doing it
For your hair.
I don't want to do scalp.
Fingers through my
I enjoy these.
see the other side of your head as well.
Wait, get some of this down. I want to play with your hair.
So you can do the left side of my head as well. Do you want me to turn around?
No, I like that.
Make sure we listen out.
Oh, fun.
So relaxing. Do you get Katie Zoo to do your hair?
She already did fucking about. I love doing my hair.
Tarek's really good.
Oh, yeah. Well, you lose it when you give it to someone else.
I try,
Morris's one that just had high glass on there.
You want a back one?
I will.
He'll do it. Once you're in the air. They're probably charging, right? That's pretty good, yeah, fair.
It costs about 50 boots.
It's actually going to be okay.
I've already got an empty gap for that one, man.
That's how you
Dropped out and
just scratch
£60
a bit
to
my
take that
scalp as well. Bit of itch.
We're taking care of tobacco out now.
Wait, you do all this. Get your fingers through it.
You're ruining the hair.
Sorry, get your fingers through it. Fingers? Yes, my hair.
Just
gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs in the panels above your head. We recommend whenever seated, keeping your seatbelts loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence. There are 3 toilets on board today, one at the front and 2 at the rear of the cabin, and these are all fitted with high intensity smoke detectors. easyJet operates a strictly no smoking service, and this does include use of electronic cigarettes.
Ladies and gentlemen, very shortly the cabin crew will be joining you in the cabin by easyJet Bistro service. Now, due to the length of the delay today, we are able to offer you complimentary drinks and snacks from the Bistro range. The complimentary drinks include any of our hot drinks and any of our soft drinks. Any alcoholic drinks must be paid for. Complimentary snacks include our crisps, nuts, Pringles, olives, sweet snacks, Kit Kat, Twix and muffins. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are expecting the service to be quite busy this afternoon, so to help the cabin crew complete the service before landing into Manchester, for you on our flight this afternoon. We're currently out on cruise now to 38,000 feet, just over the North Sea at the moment, about 60 miles to the northwest of Rotterdam. Up here we've got a bit of a headwind working against us, we've still got a speed over the ground of 480 miles per hour. Just 270 miles to run. The rest of our routing is going to take us in a west-northwesterly direction. Passed over the eastern coast of the UK, over Lincolnshire. Slight right turn at that point, starting our descent down into Manchester. Passing just to the south of Leeds. Looping around to the north of the city. And at the moment landing on one of the southwesterly facing runways. The latest weather for you is 21 degrees at the moment. It's overcast. Good visibility though, and just a light breeze to the southwest. So about 50 minutes to run, should be touching down at a local time of 6:35. Once on the ground it's just a short taxi and we'll have a disembarking 5 minutes after that. Again, many apologies for the delay to this service. I hope you can understand that obviously safety is our #1 priority, so we wanted to make sure that the problem was correctly diagnosed by our engineers in Luton before we took off. Again, I know it's frustrating, but thank you very much for your patience. Well, that's it from us. I hope to see you again soon.
We do now have all passengers return to their seats, ensuring that their seatbelts are securely fastened, ready for inspection from the crew. Your armrests need to be down, tray tables stowed and window blinds fully open. All cabin baggage now needs to be stowed back into the overhead lockers or well underneath seats in front of you. The cabin crew will be coming through with one final rubbish collection, so if you could please check into your seat pockets and the surrounding floor areas for any rubbish you may have and hand these into the crew as they pass you by. The toilets are no longer in service and there should be no more standing or walking in the cabin.
But she got socialised. I'm sure back now. I said, oh, do you wear the do you wear the salad? I'll be on. I don't want to look at straight up.
our worst one was Ryan. Well, we literally were going to run out of runway. Something like that. We barely stopped at the end of the runway. And had to come back up the runway. These are a runway that you've got low altitude here.
Ladies and gentlemen, easyJet would like to welcome you to Manchester's Terminal 1 local time now. It is 25 minutes after 6. Now, as we approach our parking stand, you will notice the cabin crew being released from their seats for door operations. However, the seatbelt signs will remain illuminated for just a short while, so we do ask all of our customers to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened during this time. Before leaving the aircraft this evening, please ensure that you take all of your personal belongings with you. Have one final check around your seat areas, taking care when you open the lockers in case anything should fall out. Kindly be reminded smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area, and for those customers who do require any more assistance, then our ground agency at Manchester are waiting to meet the aircraft, and they will be able to help you with any assistance that you may need. Ladies and gentlemen, it just leaves me now to say on behalf of your commander, that's Captain David Adescott, Senior First Officer Tom Melia, and all of the cabin crew today, that's myself, Dean, along with Beth, Becky and Claire, who would all like to wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey, and would like to take this opportunity to apologise for the late arrival to this evening's service. I do hope that this has not caused you too much inconvenience. Thank you, and a very good day.
We're getting off the plane. We're getting off the plane, mister. Carrick, can you get my bag down? Wow. Can you get my bag down?